If you've been locked out of your Epic Games account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Go to the official Epic Games website using your web browser. Look for the sign-in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the sign-in page, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will direct you to a page where you can initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Epic Games account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the password reset link. After entering your email, click on the Send Email button. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Epic Games. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions on the password reset page to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Once you've reset your new password, you can log into your account with your updated credentials. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reset your login credentials and regain access to your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.